Well, hello, beautiful people. This is Mursegeorge, and it is the day after Christmas 2025. I tell you, we've been blessed with great flying weather. I mean, conditions have been sunny, and temperatures have been mild, and winds have been accommodating, and me and my friends have been flying. Now, I wasn't flying my paramotor because it's down. I'm waiting for parts right now, so unfortunately, all these beautiful conditions has gone to waste for me. But tonight, I got the drone in the air since I couldn't fly my paramotor, and I captured some footage of my friends. These are the flyers from Lone Star Paramotor, San Antonio, Texas. So, if you live in the vicinity and you're thinking about learning paramotor, this is the place. I tell you, we've got the best field, the best weather, the best instructors, the best people, the best of everything in paramotor. So this is Kitty Hawk Field. It's an ultralight field, and there are hangars full of ultralights, and I'll put some in the video here. But mostly you're going to see paramotors, you're going to see foot launch, and you're going to see trikes. No tandems going on tonight, but they do a lot of tandems out there. If you're thinking about learning more about paramotor and you just like to see if you could tolerate getting in the air, because a lot of people can't. I mean, my kids, I've been in it for about 6 months now, and I've invited everybody in my family to take a tandem ride where some of the lead instructors who are checked off on this and credentialed and certified, they take people up just to introduce them to the sport. And I've made it available to my kids and family members, and I wouldn't do this if I didn't trust these people entirely. I don't want to see anybody get hurt, especially not somebody I love. But my kids, they're not interested in it. My kids are young, and like most young people, they're busy doing other things, but apparently they're just not interested enough to take the leap and get in the air. In any case, it's a lot of fun. People do reach out, and we take them up all the time. And a lot of people do come back. Some don't, but all appreciate the experience of being up in the air and just seeing the world from a just different vantage point and perspective that often most people never get to do. I mean, sure, perhaps you've flown, perhaps you've been on a 747 or something like that and traveled across the country. This is not really the same thing. I mean, you're exposed here, open air environment, and you feel everything. You've got all these sensations just bombarding your senses, and it's something else, man. Words really don't do it justice, but it's wonderful to get in the air and see the world from a different vantage point. In any case, I hope you enjoy this footage. If you have questions about anything you're seeing, don't hesitate to reach out. Lone Star Paramotor.